Hey there, so if your Wi-Fi is not working for your NordicTrack treadmill, the first thing that you can do is to first reset it completely. And the reset is simple. So you want to turn it off and unplug the treadmill. Then you want to find reset button. Then when you're going to stand it in front of the treadmill, it's going to be on the upper right. Look at here. It's going to be like this small button or like a pinhole, right? Then what you want to do is that with the paperclip or needle, you want to press and hold the reset button. You want to insert it right there. And while your treadmill is going to be turned off, and you're going to press and hold the paperclip into it, then you want to just turn it back on while you're pressing and holding the reset button. You want to continue hold it until the screen is going to say reinstalling the software, and then you can just try to reconnect it to Wi-Fi. This is not going to work out. This is something that I've also read here. Look here. The problem is the bike's date and time is way off, and I had to go and reset time and date. When I did all of that, my problems were solved and they could connect to Wi-Fi. Another thing is that try to make a hotspot. So don't connect it to your Wi-Fi, but try to make a hotspot with your phone, let's say, if there is a problem with the network. So for example, this is something that I did in the past, is that I just created a hotspot with my laptop and I tried to connect it with it, and it actually helped. So maybe it's going to fix it for you, maybe not. If not, I'm sorry. I'm just like throwing out ideas what you can, like how you can actually work. So have a great day and goodbye.